For centuries, humanity has gazed at the sky asking one question: how far does our home, the solar system, truly extend? The Voyager probes, launched more than 40 years ago, became our messengers to the unknown. But what a traveler discovered at the edge of the solar system changed our understanding of the universe forever. That traveler wasn't human. It was a machine, but also a silent witness of infinity. The Voyager 1 spacecraft. In 2012, after 35 years of travel, it crossed an invisible frontier. The Heliopause, where the sun's influence ends and the realm of the stars begins. There, its instruments detected something astonishing, a place where the solar wind stops, yet a faint hum of radiation lingers, as if the universe itself were breathing. Scientists expected emptiness, but instead found an ocean of energetic particles, signals from ancient stellar explosions that had traveled millions of years to reach that border. Then came the unthinkable, a sequence of electrical pulses that matched no known source. Some say they're magnetic disturbances. Others dare to believe we may have heard, for the first time, the voice of interstellar space. Today, Voyager 1 keeps moving, beyond the sun's grasp, over 23 billion kilometers from Earth. Inside, it carries the golden record, a capsule filled with sounds, images, and messages from our world, sent to any being that might one day find it. We may never receive an answer, but as long as that ship sails through the darkness, a part of us will be out there too, exploring the abyss. This isn't just science. It's a story of curiosity, of faith, and of humanity's eternal need to look beyond. Because at the edge of the solar system, the unknown begins. Voyager 1 was never meant to go this far. Its original mission was simple: explore Jupiter and Saturn, their moons, their rings. But destiny had other plans. With every swing around the sun, the probe gained speed, courage, and purpose until it finally escaped the cradle that birthed us, the solar system. Picture it: a lone spacecraft, the size of a car, drifting through absolute silence. No light, no sound, no turning back. Only a whisper, transmitted across the void, a faint signal that takes over 22 hours to reach Earth. At that distance, the sun isn't a blazing star anymore, just a tiny spark among thousands. And yet, that spark is home. Carl Sagan called it the pale blue dot, a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam, the sum of everything we are. From there we began, and into the unknown we continue. The data Voyager sends today is faint, but priceless. Each bit carries secrets of the cosmos: fluctuations in interstellar plasma, whispers of magnetic fields, charged particles born from ancient supernovae. We don't know how much longer it will survive. Its systems are aging, its energy fading. But as long as a single spark remains within its circuits, it will keep speaking. And here's the poetry of it. When Voyager finally falls silent, when its antenna no longer answers, it will keep traveling. For millions of years. A message in a cosmic bottle, drifting through eternity, carrying the voice of a civilization that once dared to dream. What if someone finds it? What if, around a distant star, another intelligence intercepts its path? They will hear our heartbeat, our laughter, our rain, our songs. They will know that a small species, from a forgotten corner of the cosmos, had the courage to reach for the stars. That's what Voyager truly is. Not just a machine, a symbol. A reminder that even in the vastness, we are not lost. We are simply exploring. And so, in the endless silence of space, Voyager 1 continues its journey, crossing regions where no human signal has ever reached. Its aged antenna still points into the void, whispering a message that fades among the stars. A whisper that says, "We are here. We exist." That echo drifts through an ocean of pure darkness. No north, no south, no up, no down, only the infinite. The deepest emptiness, yet somehow full of meaning. Because every kilometer that tiny ship travels represents something far greater than science. It represents the human spirit. The same fire that drove us to build, to explore, to light our first flame, to cross the seas, to look up at the night sky and wonder what lies beyond. Out there, where the sun's warmth no longer reaches, where space has no end, drifts a human creation carrying the essence of Earth. The laughter of a child, the song of whales, the sound of rain upon trees, a mother's greeting, the whisper of wind through fields. All of it. Racing through eternity at 61,000 kilometers per hour. And when you think about it, there's something profoundly poetic in that. A species still fighting its own chaos, still learning, still searching for meaning, sent a fragment of its soul into the cosmos, not to conquer, but to be heard. Every atom of that craft was forged on Earth, every bolt, every circuit, every spark. And yet today, it no longer belongs to us. It belongs to the stars, to time, to the infinite. Perhaps 1,000 years from now, another life form will detect its faint signal. Perhaps 1,000,000 years from now, some advanced civilization will find it drifting through the dark, dusted with stardust, carrying that golden record intact. And maybe, when they listen, they will understand that once long ago, there was a species that loved, that dreamed, that suffered, and that dared to reach for the stars. That will be our most enduring legacy. Empires will fall, languages will fade, but that tiny spacecraft will keep moving forward. As continents drift, oceans dry, and new suns are born and die, Voyager will still be flying. And when the last human voice has gone silent, when the lights of our cities fade forever, somewhere out there in the cosmic dark, a spark of us will remain, sailing between the stars. Because as long as curiosity exists, humanity will never truly die. We are explorers, dreamers, children of Earth, and heirs to the universe. And when Voyager crosses the final frontier beyond the farthest stars, into the realm where even light has never traveled, that tiny craft, forged by mortal hands, will carry the purest message ever sent. We are human. We came from the dust of stars, and we are still searching for home. Before we end this journey beyond the solar system, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so we can keep exploring the mysteries of the universe together. Because what you've seen so far, space holds secrets we still can't comprehend. The lost worlds, suns that breathe fire, and voids so vast that time itself seems to stop. In the next chapters, we'll uncover what hides behind the cosmic darkness, the rogue planets that drift without a star, condemned to eternal solitude, the song of Saturn's rings, and why they might vanish forever. The next interstellar traveler, a comet that could be approaching us from another galaxy. And the greatest mystery of all, what happens inside a black hole, where reality itself disintegrates. Subscribe, because every week we'll travel farther, beyond the planets, beyond the sun, toward the boundaries where light bends and silence becomes eternal. As long as the stars keep shining, we will keep exploring the infinite.